In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the HSL settings of your video in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Go to the toolbar and tap adjust. Select HSL. Here, you'll see different color ranges: red, orange, yellow, and more. Tap on each color to fine-tune the hue, saturation, and brightness. For example, let's select the green color. First is the hue slider. Changes the shade of that color. Next, the saturation slider. Adjust the intensity of the color. And lastly, the brightness slider. Control how bright or dark the color appears. Adjust each color until you achieve the look you want. Once you're done, preview your adjustment to see the result. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the HSL settings of your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing.
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!